Hello and welcome back to Omennicches. My name is Omennicches, this is Omennicches, please subscribe to Omennicches. And new day, new skill! I bought a lock picking set from Amazon and let's learn today how to pick locks. But first, let me put on my disguise. Hello and welcome back here, Gangmennicches. Today I'm gonna show you how to pick some lock. We have this beginner picking locks, yeah, and you can see it has a key, it is an actual working lock. Look at this, okay, alright. Fuck. Yeah, it's an actual functioning lock. Okay, let's pick some locks. Away with the key, we don't need this shit. Alright, how to pick a lock, let's make this quick. You see those dimples, those have to be in a line to pick the lock. And it turns, the lock opens. And we got this bad boy open. Alright. I have this lock, I taped one side up and you can see. And let's pick it. Tensioning tool in there. Put some pressure on it. Let's start picking. Whoa. Boom, did it again. Lock open. You wanna see me this one? Okay. This is a car lock, you see? This is for cars. And with the key, easy. But the real question is, Gangmennicches, can you pick it? Of course I can. And it's open. Gangmennicches has learned to pick a lock. Boom! It actually took me half a day practicing with the open locks, but BAM! Now I'm Gangmennicches. Peace and out. Bye bye! Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.